My name is Tim Sway of New Perspectives Music, and this is the Jambulance. The Jambulance is a 1997 Chevy P30 frame with a Grumman Olson aluminum body on top of it, and I've been converting it into a mobile guitar store as well as a performance venue where I can showcase my instruments that I build, as well as give people the opportunity to perform with them on a stage that folds out of the back. While I'm doing all of the work myself out of reclaimed and locally sourced and sustainable materials, of course sometimes there's just some specialty truck parts that I need to keep this truck street legal and up and running, and I get all of those parts from Mill Supply. They make good hats too. I'm pretty safe and comfortable over here on the driver's side of this truck thanks to this wonderful throne I got from Mill Supply, and as well as this shoulder seatbelt and mounting hardware that they sell. So I was able to outfit this truck that wasn't even designed to have shoulder seatbelts with something that made me feel safe on the modern highway. But you know, these old trucks didn't think as highly of passengers, and thankfully Mill Supply had some solutions for that too, and let me show you two of them that I used. The passenger seats in these old trucks are designed to be removed fairly easily in case you need the space, and I want to be able to take it out when I'm utilizing this truck at shows. However, I also want it to be safe for passengers that are riding in the truck, and I want to be able to put a shoulder seat belt. So this is what I did. The previous owner of this truck had just simply bolted this passenger seat to the body of the truck, which worked fine, except for I needed a wrench to undo it and take it out. I want to be able to remove the seat quickly. Mill Supply sells these tethers that are designed for just this purpose. With the eye bolted, they also sell separately, and this tether bolted to the seatbelt portion of the frame, you can simply stretch this out a little bit and disconnect, and now your seat is ready to go. When it's connected, in case there were an accident, this seat is going to stay still. But what else did I do? I still didn't feel right not having a shoulder seatbelt over here for my passenger. So I welded a couple steel pieces onto the steel frame of the jump seat and attached Mill Supply's shoulder seatbelt to the top of that. So now I can remove the whole seat and the seatbelt in one piece. Done, right? Not yet. Sure, the seat's still connected firmly to the bottom of the truck, but up here where I built this shoulder support, it's a little wibbly wobbly. So I used another one of those latches, put an eye hook right up here to where the B-pillar of the truck would be, and now this seat is safe 6 ways from Sunday. It ain't falling out anywhere, and it's just as good as having a regular shoulder seat belt. But I can still disconnect both these latches in a matter of seconds and remove the whole seat, just as the truck was designed. I added a headrest too. Why not? This truck is still a work in progress, but it's near complete, and if you would like to see the work in progress, you can go to my YouTube channel, which is just youtube.com/TimSway, and there's a whole video series about the process from starting from the raw truck to the point we are at today. And I also want to thank Mill Supply for stocking all of the parts that I needed for this truck that I couldn't make myself out of pieces of reclaimed steel or pallet wood. Alright, thank you very much, thanks for watching, and have a great day. Be good.